Hey guys, the next topic that we have on the partition is R partition. R partition is nothing but right partition as compared to what we did in partition in a previous video, uh, which does the partition from the left side of the string. R partition does the same thing which we did in L partition, but from the right side of the string. We'll see the same examples while we are trying to do it. So what we need to understand is R partition method is used to split a string into three parts again. Yeah. So on the last occurrence of the specified separator, it will separate the string. Yeah. So it is similar to partition method, which does the partition from the first occurrence of the string, which is from the left. So it is generally used in scenarios where you need to extract information from strings in reverse order. Yes. So the syntax again is the same that we had for partition. So I need to have, I'll copy the same thing which we had here. We had the same syntax. Only before partition, we'll have an alphabet R. Yes. So this is the syntax of string. Now this method separates string that specifies where to perform the split. Yes, from the right side of the string. Yeah, again it returns the three parts of the string. First is string before the last occurrence of the string, the separator itself, and the part of the string after the last occurrence. So let's use the same examples that we use for partition so that we'll understand the difference. We use this string with a separator available. Let's see what happens. Here we'll change the partition to R partition. So in two words, it will only have the same output. So you have hello, then you have the space, which is the separator, and the word. Yes. So we have three parts to it. Now let's understand when you do not have any separator in the string, what happens? You have seen it shows the string first and then the separator by which it has to be partitioned. Yeah. So let's see what happens here if I put R partition. See, the separator this time has come first, wherein the string has come at the end. Because we are partitioning the string from the right side of the string. Yeah. Let's see how we can partition multiple values which we did earlier with a space. This one. Yeah. So I'm trying to use the same example so that you can find the difference between these two easily with the help of output that we get. Yeah. So I'm doing the R partition. This time it has, you'll see the string is hello world, I love Python. But the partition has started from the end of the string. Yeah. And it has searched for the first of occurrence from the end of the string. Previously, when we did only partition, it searched for the separator from the start of the string, hence it has separated hello from the other part of the string with space. Here, it has separated Python from the other part of the string with the space. Since it is an R partition which is starting from the end of the string. Yeah. Let's see the same example that we had with comma. It's the same output that we had earlier. Pretty simple. Now let's see what happens with the escape character. Okay, I have not added R partition. I'm very sorry. See this? The output is the same since I have added comma. Now let's see with /n, which is the escape character. See this? It has again done the partition from the right side of the string where Python is separated, wherein in a previous case, hello was separated from the other part of the string. Yeah. So this is how you can use partition or R partition based on your requirement, how you want to split the string to use it for your analysis. Yeah. Hope you like this video. Please like and provide your comments on this video so that you can make it better. Please subscribe to my channel so that you can get such more informative videos on Python automatically in your emails. Thank you so much.